Okay, guys, there is one more easiest question. What is that now? So, from the graphical method, the graph between the displacement x and t graph, the particle is moving in a straight line as shown in figure. So, during the intervals OA, AB, BC, CD, the acceleration of the particle is okay. So, it's an interesting one. So, how to get some information from the graph? Okay. So, now this is given here displacement and time graph. So, I have to start with the interval means O to A. What is happening? O to A, if I clearly observe, the graph is little bit tilted. If I show you that is little bit tilted towards a time, means if any graph which is tilted towards a time axis like this, little bit tilted towards a time axis, now what it will indicate, right? So acceleration is decreasing. Okay, acceleration is what is that here? Acceleration is negative. Okay, velocity is also decreasing, which is also negative. I can indicate. Second, I can say second interval if I try to show you, which is a to b in time interval. If you try to show now, what is that here? Displacement is a little bit constant with the time. If it is displacement constant with the time, na, velocity is zero, and obviously acceleration is also almost it is equal to zero only. Now again you see the time interval which is a b to c. So b to c is what is happening here. The velocity, the curve is little bit towards the displacement. Means if I could show you this displacement and the time, displacement and time. So what is happening here? The curve is little bit showing the tilt towards the displacement. Now what is that here? Acceleration will become a positive as well as velocity is also become positive. Yes or no? And if I see you next, the next time interval which is a c to d, it's clearly showing that the displacement and the time which is like a straight line, means there is no change in the velocity. If there is no change in the velocity, what happens here? Acceleration is becoming zero. What happens here? Acceleration is completely become zero, and it is a velocity will be constant. Okay, uniform motion also I can say. This indicates what is that here? Uniform motion. Do not confuse yourself. Uniform motion and uniform acceleration both are different. Uniform acceleration means that is non-uniform motion. If uniform motion means it is a body is moving with a uniform means constant velocity. Thank you.